Stop. If you're thinking about buying DomainRack 2.0, there's something you need to know first. Because this software isn't just another shiny tool, it's a complete game changer that could cancel your GoDaddy renewals forever and start paying you daily, all on autopilot. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what DomainRack 2.0 is, how it works, what's included, the honest pros and cons, whether it's actually worth buying. And I've also prepared an exclusive bonus package worth $599 if you decide to grab it through my link. Let's get started. What is DomainRack 2.0? DomainRack 2.0 is being called the GoDaddy killer. Why? Because it lets you launch your own fully automated domain registrar business in minutes, with hosting, traffic and sales automation built in. No tech skills, no monthly fees, no headaches. Just log in, set up once and let the AI handle everything. Benefits, why people are interested. Cancel expensive renewals and only pay rock-bottom fees. Tap into a $350 million per year domain industry. Monetize further with upsells like hosting, SEO and affiliate offers. Built-in traffic means you don't need to chase customers, they come to you. Inside DomainRack 2.0 you will get branded domain store. Launch your own registrar site with hosting, SSL and support for millions of domains. iDomain Assistant. Generate domain ideas and research opportunities. Lead system. Access 1M plus business leads for potential customers. iMarketing. Automated sales emails and outreach tools. Extra monetization. Offer hosting, design, SEO, affiliate products and ads. Commercial license. Build schools or services for clients, keep revenue. Cloud setup. One-time payment, mobile-ready, training and 24/7 support. Honest pros and cons. Pros, convenience, hosting, billing, automation, AI tools and domains all in one platform. Monetization. Earn from domains, hosting, SEO, websites, affiliate products and ads. Commercial license. Run under your own brand or serve clients. Cloud-based setup. Easy to start, no advanced tech skills needed. Cons. Effort required. Automation helps, but you still need to learn the platform, attract customers and build trust. Results vary. Earnings depend on niche, marketing, pricing and consistency, not just testimonials. DomainRack 2.0 reduces workload but success depends on your effort and strategy. Results. What to expect? If your goal is to instantly become rich overnight, this isn't a realistic expectation. If you're looking for a platform that helps you launch a branded domain business, automate repetitive tasks and create multiple monetization opportunities, DomainRack 2.0 appears to be built around that objective. The platform aims to simplify many of the technical steps involved in launching a domain-focused business. When you grab DomainRack 2.0 through my link today, you'll also get Bonus 1, AI Traffic Booster Pack, value $299, my personal toolkit to drive even more eyeballs to your domain shop. Bonus 2, Affiliate Profit Stack, value $300, pre-built templates and offers you can plug into DomainRack 2.0 to monetize instantly. Total bonus value, $599 yours free when you get DomainRack 2.0 today. Is DomainRack 2.0 actually worth buying? For the price of a pizza, you're getting a fully automated business that cancels your own renewals, pays you for every domain sale and even monetizes with upsells. DomainRack 2.0 is not just worth it, it's a no-brainer. So, click the link below, secure your copy of DomainRack 2.0 and claim your $599 bonus package. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review.